everyone, Kelly Shaffner here. Welcome to my channel. I'm so glad that you are here today because I have a thrift haul to share with you. This is my first thrift haul of the year. Finally. Guys, I love thrifting, but I have been very, very busy doing all the other stuff that is not so much fun in my reselling business. So I'm so excited to share my first thrift haul of 2021 with you. If you're new to my channel, hello, welcome. I sure hope you'll subscribe and join me for a future video. And to my returning subscribers, hi everyone. I'm so glad that you are here. I am excited to share my half price. Yes, that's the best part. I paid half price for everything that I picked up in this haul. Everything is listed except my handbag. And part of it is because I was thinking about keeping this handbag, but if you have been following me, you know I've been keeping a lot of handbags. So I am going to list this bag, and my hopes are it will be listed before this video goes live. Guys, check out this bag. This bag is perfect for the times that we live in. It's just so uplifting. It's got peace and happy freedom. It's a coated canvas sack roots bag. Now, I've sold the sack. Is sack and sack roots, I think they are basically the same line. Yeah, they are. It says the sack right here. And this is what the inside of the bag looks like. This is an adjustable crossbody, and I just think it's really cute. You guys know I am so into crossbodies now, but I'm not going to keep this. Even though I would really like to, I'm not going to keep this because I like the other bags that I have kept an awful lot. You know, in my thrift stores, I don't find many handbags. I look every single time I go, but I don't find many that are worth reselling, that will net me a profit, that makes it worth my time. But this one is not going to fetch me a bunch, but I do think someone's going to enjoy it, so I brought it home. And these boots are not listed either, but I did pick up these cowboy boots. These are Ariat Fat Baby. They are just brown. They don't have any of the fun, whimsical colors that Ariat often has, but they're in pretty good shape. Now, they do have some dings, some scratches in them. These are so worth polishing up, and that's why I haven't listed them yet. This is what the backs of them, the soles, look like. These usually do really well for me, and I find a lot of Ariat boots in my area because, fun fact about where I live. I am from New Mexico. I live in New Mexico. We actually have more cattle, more cows in this state than we have people, than we have residents. So most residents, I would venture to say, in the state of New Mexico own a pair of cowboy boots, at least one, probably several. So I find lots and lots of Western wear in my thrift stores. And these Ariat boots do really, really well for me. So size 9, I picked them up. I'm going to polish them and get them listed ASAP. Okay, right over here, I have a little stack of denim that I want to share with you. Little because I'm not crazy about listing. I don't thrift denim very often. If I'm at the bins and I come across it, I bring it home. But I actually thrifted these. All of these denim were $2 a pair, so I it's a little risk. I thought I would try it. This is a brand that does really well for me, American Eagle Outfitters. These are a size 6, but they're a 6 long, and I like longer lengths. They seem to sell very well. This is what they look like. Pretty simple denim. Yeah, this is a brand I enjoy selling, so I brought these home. This next brand is a brand I have never sold before. I've never owned them. I don't know anything about them, but I have seen other resellers pick these up. I have seen lots, wholesale lots of this brand. Joe's Jeans. Now, I did not run the comps, and the comps on these don't look great, but this is, again, a longer length, and this is a 28, a size 28. Now, they're not, they don't advertise them as a longer length, but the inseam is 32 inches. I always note that in my description. They are a darker wash. I wouldn't call them a dark wash, but they are a darker medium wash, right? Straight leg, Joe's Jeans. And this is the final pair of denim I picked up, and I'm actually most excited about these. I think these are going to sell faster than the other two pairs. These are a size 16, great size. They're Old Navy boyfriend droit, and they have that great embroidery, floral detail. They do have plain pockets in the back. They are a straight leg, kind of an ankle length, and probably would wear these cuffed at the bottom, but I think these are going to sell very quick. They've had interest already. I have not sent out any offers because I wanted to share them with you before I sold them. I wanted them to be in this video because I think these jeans are kind of special. Okay, I have a few dresses too, I have been avoiding the dress section in the thrift store because dresses are not moving as rapidly as they once did. But guys, I have been selling dresses. In fact, I have sold 2 special occasion dresses in just the past couple weeks. Now, I ran across a lot of Torrid. In fact, on the day I was in the thrift store, there were just lots and lots of Torrid pieces, which was unusual for my thrift store. This is Torrid size 1. The rest that I picked up is size 2, but this is what the dress looks like. Really pretty floral dress in great, great shape. It does have an elasticized waist, and I don't know if you'll be able to tell, but it's a button front, almost like a shirt dress, and there is a tab sleeve. I never keep the sleeves folded up, although even the stock photo has the sleeves rolled up, but I don't like it to wrinkle when I send it out. So yeah, I got this Torrid dress, size 1. The other 2 dresses are size 2. Look how pretty this one is. Oh, I like this dress a lot. This one is Torrid size 2, and this one is like a sweater knit. This is a skater dress with a bit of a pleated skirt. So it looks like this in super, super condition. This one is like 2018, 2019. And the last one, so hard to photograph. Really glad that I was able to find a model photo on this. Stand back and show you. This is a maxi dress, an olive floral maxi dress. It's a sundress, I would say, with these straps. They're braided straps. Can you see that? The braided straps there. And this is the back with the strappy back. Does have the elasticized waist, and there's a self tie in the back. So this is a tiered skirt as well. Really pretty. Glad I found the model photo on that one. Now this one is incredibly soft, and it's rayon, and it's the softest rayon. You see that color too? That's a pink and almost like a brown stripe. Now this is a popover with a really super deep split neck. This one is Free People, and I know you guys don't need to see that tag, but it's got some cool cuff detail there, high-low Free People top, and yeah, the price was right. I don't find a lot of Free People, and I never buy it unless it is on sale. Now, guys, I got a lot of green pieces. At one time, I looked in my cart and I was like, this is really a green haul, which is unusual for me. This one is 100% linen. This is a flax piece. It's a size 3G, and that translates into size 24, 26. Look at the seaming on this, the neckline. It's almost like it's a sunburst. It's got a split on the seam there, and just kind of a, classic flax piece. Okay, I really want your opinions on these next 2 pieces because I've never seen these brands before, but I picked them up because they are unusual. So now, like I told you, we have more cows in New Mexico than people, and we also have lots and lots of Western wear in our thrift stores. So this is a Western-inspired top, and no yoke there, but you can see there is a yoke on the back. This is by the brand Longhorn. You ever seen that one before? This one is a size extra large, and it's rayon, but it's like super silky, almost a suede rayon. Look at those fabulous buttons, and it's so cool. Where is it? Where is it? I want to show it to you. Okay, there's a Longhorn embroidered on the cuff there. I thought that was really neat, and I just decided I wanted to try it. This is probably not Western inspired. In fact, I would call this a Lagan look style. Now, is this a top or a jacket? I think I listed this one as a jacket, and this is what it looks like. The brand on this one is Saint Germain Paris. It's got a tie there where you can tighten up the waist on this. Now these buttons look like they're straight out of the 80s, and this is a metallic embroidered detail on it. Saint Germain, there is no fabric tag on this one and no size. So I measured it and I guessed it at a size 2X. Of course I included measurements, but this is a very, very unusual piece. I've never seen this brand before. I've never seen the Longhorn brand, but both of these tops were different, unique, and I felt like they were worth trying out in my Poshmark closet because I'm always looking for something a little bit different. Now, I've never picked up this brand before, and I wanted to give it a try. My favorite color in red. This is an asymmetrical tunic, and this is also textured. And I love the texture, the asymmetrical collar on this one, also on the back. This is the brand Cut Loose. It is a size large. So yeah, I'm gonna give that one a try. Okay, this one's boring in comparison, but I felt like it was worth adding to my closet. This is kind of a nubby knit Columbia, great size, extra large. This is like a gray and cream colored, but can you see the little specks in it? It does have some gold specks in it. This is what the back looks like. Very classic. The price is right. Columbia doesn't move really quickly for me, but I couldn't leave it behind. Okay. What do you think of this one? This is like a dark olive green. Again, this one has specks in it. This one is, the way the label is, let me show you the label. This is Ireland's Eye. See how it says cashmere over here? Now, if you read the label, it says it's 95% wool and only 5% cashmere. Now, it does not have a single hole in it. I checked it really closely, although this one was not marked up. It's a cable knit sweater, nice and thick, and okay, I called this a funnel neck. What is that collar called, guys? I just thought I would try this because I have heard that people do really well with these Irish sweaters. Now, when I looked at comps for this sweater, these sweaters retail for about $150. I listed mine at the $50 price point. We'll see how it does. I think it's pretty. I'm kind of excited to try something different. This is my first Irish sweater. We'll see how it does. Okay, does this one look familiar? It should look familiar. This is a sweater I wore in my very last video. This is a blue sweater by the brand Prana. It's an extra large. I was going to keep this sweater. I decided not to keep it. I'll tell you why in a moment, but this is a wool blend. It does have some acrylic in it, I think it's got cotton in it as well. It's called the Shelby Fringe Poncho Detail Sweater. I think it's really pretty. I'll tell you why I'm not keeping it, guys. These ties really drove me crazy. They just kept getting into everything the day that I wore it, and I would not tie it up, but I guess you could. It does have kind of a loose sleeve on it. I think the color is really pretty, but I decided to sell it. Oh, I was going to tell you too, I thought this was in perfect condition, but when I was listing it, when I put it on when I was taking pictures of it, I don't think I put it on the mannequin. Okay, it's right here. There is, you see right in here, there is a slight hole right there. So I did list it. I did note the flaw. It is so small, like I never noticed it when I was wearing it. If I find some time, I will stitch that. It's going to take 3 stitches. It will be fixed and it will sell better without the flaw. Or with it at least mended is what I mean. Okay, another green piece. And this one is substantial. This is a brand that you guys know I have been picking up a lot of this brand if I find it, when I find it, because I like it and it seems to sell pretty well. This is a Woolrich and it's also size extra large. This like mock neck sweater. This is 100% cotton, and this is a really thick, heavyweight sweater in a beautiful green color. Does have the buttons up the front, which of course you could wear unbuttoned if you didn't want to feel like you were suffocated. I was excited to find this. I don't think my thrift stores know what this brand is. This one is Smart Wool, because the regular price on this sweater was only $4.49, so I got it for half price. Did I mention I spent $53 on 20 pieces. So my average price per piece is $2.65. So yeah, smart wool, flawless smart wool. This is a merino wool. It's almost tunic length, but it does have teeny tiny little dots. Can you see that? The dot detail on it. Size extra large, smart wool. I can't believe I found this. I'm excited about this piece. The smart wool sweaters move very quickly. There's definitely a following. I wish I could find more of it. This one is a fuzzy mohair sweater. This is mohair and lamb's wool, and the brand on this one is Sundance. Again, size extra large. Loving these larger sizes. This one is a high-low top. Now it's fuzzy because that's mohair, and you don't want to sweater shave that because that's the effect of mohair. That's what you are buying when you're buying mohair, is a nice fuzzy cozy sweater. This one is in great shape. This one is a loose weave though. So yeah, probably best worn with a camisole underneath just to, you know, guard you from the wind and the cold. But yeah, with the wool and the mohair, this is going to be a really nice, warm, cozy sweater by Sundance. Yay, that's a win. Oh, I should have planned this better. I don't know. This is not a grand finale, but this is a really cute fuzzy Angora sweater, Angora blend. This one, okay, again, it's fuzzy. Can you see the fuzz on it? And that is the design. When you are purchasing Angora or mohair, you're gonna get that fuzzy texture that feels amazing. This one is Victoria's Secret. Can you see that? Victoria's Secret. It's a size large. It's oversized. It measured really large, so I did list it as an oversized. It does have kind of a flared sleeve on it. I don't know. I did not call this a varsity sweater. I just called it a striped sweater, but when I see these stripes like that, it reminds me of varsity wear. So yeah, that's my final piece. This is my entire haul. Everything's listed. So that's a wrap. This is my first Goodwill haul of 2021. How do you think I did? I'm excited about the sweaters, although I keep telling myself, stop, put the brakes on the sweaters and start looking into spring. Guys, I did get a donation from a friend, a bag of swimsuits. I have not even looked inside it because, of course, I want to get my seasonally appropriate stuff listed before the season ends. And are you interested in seeing the swimwear that my friend donated to me? If so, let me know in the comments because I don't even know how many there is. There could be 3 swimsuits, but it's a larger bag. It's a one garbage bag filled with inventory. If you want to see that, please let me know because I'm going to start working on spring very soon. I tell you that. I mean, hold me to it because you know that sweaters will be discounted at the thrift stores, and sweaters are big and bulky, and I do not want to store them through the winter. I really want to move them as quickly as possible. How about you? What are you currently thrifting and adding to your online stores if you are a reseller? Please let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for joining me again, guys. It is always a pleasure to share my finds with you. Please give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I will see you very soon in the next video. Blessings to all of you.